Dear subscribers, I appreciate your feedback. And this game, to my new episode of Timeless Underrated Classic, I took just from the suggestion of my subscriber. So one of you suggested this beautiful game, and all of us will see this. Believe me, you will enjoy it. Let's start immediately. White played e4. Ragozin, who played white, played against Isaac Palislavsky, so two great grandmasters of the past. And they went to the pretty famous nowadays line in the Caro-Kann with this double pawn structure. Very tricky one and very popular. In the past, it was counted that black is bad here, but now we see some new strategical ideas. Should I make a video on that? Type a comment below if yes. Bishop d6, so everything goes according to the main line, and here, yeah, the best move for black is just queen e7. The endgame, the following endgame is not bad for them, so white is not that better because of the pawn structure, how we can imagine it. Bishop e7, okay move, knight f3, so they skip the part of the opening pretty quickly. Black wants to play rook e8 to take the line, so rook e1 to prevent it looks logical from white. Bishop g4, maybe already not the best move, because after queen e4, it definitely was better to return back to d7. So white can do some bishop d2 development, or I don't know, h3 to make a window. So it's a lot of possibilities how to continue. Small advantage, honestly, for white, like half of a pawn by the computer, something like this. Instead of that, black after queen e4 played bishop h5, and white tricked with the knight h4. The point is that now on bishop g6, all the time I can take and take on g6, thanks to the spin. So that keeps dangerous. So returning back to the game, black decided to play knight d7. This move is okay, looks okay, but it's already losing unfortunately. Queen goes f5. A very nice move. Again, on bishop g6, I can just take on g6. And black tried to play knight b6, tricking the bishop on c4. But they didn't count that after queen takes h5, knight takes c4. White have amazing bishop h6 brilliant move. What is the idea now? Like, for example, on something like queen e5, trying to force the queen trade, I have queen g4. And you need to play g6, bishop takes f8. Material is better for white. White's position honestly winning. And the point that in general after bishop h6, I want to continue the attack. So black tried to play queen d7, just taking g4 square under control. But that's not works as well, because now I can do bishop takes g7, completely demolishing the king position. The point that black should take, knight f5 check, king goes back, and now rook goes to e4. And we have these three pieces against the naked king almostly. Black can't prevent rook h4 and queen takes h7 with the mate. They try to take on h2, but resign directly after king h1. Because my next move is rook h4 and queen takes h7, winning the game with the mate. Amazing one. Don't forget to subscribe, share your opinion about the game, suggest some new game to the series, and we will see each other on the new episodes.